Now it's time for us to take a look at linear applications. First of all, I've given you a problem here that I'm not going to work. What I want you to observe is that in WebAssign, if a problem has on the bottom lower left, if it has a watch it symbol, then that means there's a video embedded in the problem for you to watch so that you could look at a related example before you actually attempt the problem you were assigned. So rather than work the same problem for you that's already recorded as a watch it, I'll work a different problem that doesn't have a watch it. So this question says, 8 years ago, a house was worth $120,000. Now the house is worth $175,000. Assume a linear relationship between time, which is measured in years, and value, which is measured in dollars, and find the formula for the value V at time t, where t equals 0 refers to now. So I need to identify at least two ordered pairs because we're told in the problem we want a linear relationship. That means we're looking for the equation of a line. Since I know that time 0 refers to now, at time 0 the value of the house is $175,000. I need a second data point. So I'll read the problem again and I'll look for some other information. And something I see is at the beginning of the problem it says 8 years ago a house was worth $120,000. In reference to now, 8 years ago would be a time of -8 and a value of $120,000. To determine the equation of the line through our two data points, let's first calculate the slope, which is change in y divided by change in x. So 120,000 minus 175,000 divided by -8 minus 0, which in turn gives us -55,000 divided by -8, which is 6,875. Now to complete the formula for the equation of the line, you can notice that we do have the vertical intercept. Since the x-axis is renamed t and the y-axis is renamed v, we can call this our vertical intercept, or v-intercept if you will. And we know the intercept is 0, 175,000. So the equation of our line in slope-intercept form will be 6,000, v equals 6,875 times t, again use the appropriate variables, plus 175,000. Now notice, this is a problem that I mentioned in an earlier example. The v equals is already outside the box, so in the typing box I will type 6,875 times t plus 175,000. And in numbers like 175,000 we don't, or 6,875, we do not insert commas or any stray characters like that. The second part of the question says, what is the value of the house 5 years from now? So we will let t equal 5 and calculate 6,875 times 5 plus 175,000, which totals for us 209,375. And it says give an exact answer or round your answer to the nearest dollar. This guy turned out to be exact, so we're good. And just to recap, I knew that this was the equation of a line type problem because they use the word linear in the relationship.